Submitting Assignments Part 2. In our last lesson, we learned about the blog. We learned about the assignment option where you submit an external document. And we learned about the self-graded drag and drop. Today we're going to look at another option for the turquoise puzzle piece. In this type of assignment, you are going to have your questions and be given a place to type your answers. But this is not an automatically graded assignment, so you will have to wait for your instructor to grade the assignment. So again, you're going to come to your startup page where it's going to give you your directions and ask you to start your attempt. So once prompted, choose to start your attempt. You have 3 turns. We've made 1, so there are 2 remaining. Notice it does keep track of how much time you've spent on the learning activity. So you come into the assignment. This particular assignment is asking you to view a picture and then respond on that picture. So once the assignment opens, you will then follow the directions and complete your assignments in the space provided. All right, so here you have the directions on your page. You might have a video, you might have content here, and then you can notice down here you have where you can switch to questions. So here's the picture again. What do you see? People, animals, buildings, interesting items. Do these things give you clues about this time and place? And here in this box, you're going to formulate your answer here. All right, so then when you're finished, you simply go to the next one. Again, it's asking you another question, so you're going to do your question. Now, if you need to go back to the beginning, you can simply check the first box and go back and toggle your way through until you get to the last question. Here it's going to ask you a final question. You're going to put your answer in here. You choose review, and then once you choose review, it's going to say finish, and then one more time. It's telling you, you haven't attempted these questions. Are you sure you want to submit your activity? And because this is just a practice, I'm going to say yes. Now, this one will not be graded until your teachers had a chance to get back to it. This was an example of the turquoise puzzle piece that's a teacher-graded assignment. Okay, so let's review another one. All right, the next assignment we're going to look at is also a teacher-graded assignment. But this is asking you to create a PowerPoint, and this is a linked assignment. So what you're going to find in this assignment is, again, you'll see your Canvas with all of your instructions and directions. Any resources that you might need could be in your Canvas. Then this assignment is going to take you to your document. Okay, so here's your directions for this. You're going to create a PowerPoint. Now notice that it says right here, my document. When you choose, oh, and you can see the rubric down here as well. Okay, that's all laid out for you. And then when you choose my document, that's going to take you to your OneDrive account where you can now edit your assignment. You'll notice that a blank PowerPoint opens. What this is allowing you to do is to complete your assignment totally in cyberspace. You don't have to download any documents. You don't have to re-upload any documents. This document's going to open and be ready for you to use because it creates a document just for you. Then once you have completed that document, you then just go back to Schoology where you can submit that document. All right, so once you click on Edit and you have logged into your OneDrive using your credentials, first name, last name, at student.aikencountypublicschooldistrict.net and your unique password, then you will be allowing Schoology access to your OneDrive. And so when you choose Edit, it opens up into a PowerPoint. And then here you are going to create your PowerPoint. Okay, and so once you're done creating, so you've gone in and you've changed it all up to how you want it to be, then you go back to the Schoology account and see where it says submit. You choose submit right here. It says, are you sure you want to submit this? So if you know you're ready, you choose yes, submit. Now, notice after it submits, okay, you choose done. Notice that you do have the option for unsubmit. So maybe you realize that, oh, I forgot to do something. You can unsubmit it, then you can go back and make corrections and then resubmit it. Okay, so that is using a linked Office 365 or OneDrive document. All right, I want to show you one more assignment type. So here you can see it is a assignment with the paper and pencil. That usually means that it's a paper assignment. This also is a OneDrive linked activity, but it's a Word document. Just want to refresh your mind with this. So here you get all of your content that you need to help you with this lesson. What is it that you're doing? Here is your rubric. Okay, and then you're going to come to the document button. When you choose the document, it's going to come up. If your name's not here, then it's probably going to ask you for your credentials to access your Office 365 account. Then you see the document coming up. You're going to choose Edit, and that's going to open the document up so that you can type on it. So here's the document. You're going to come in and type your answers. And if you want to change color, you're welcome to do that. Then you come back over here to your OneDrive assignment, choose Submit Assignment, Yes, Submit Assignment, and Done. And then again, if you decided that assignment, you forgot to do something, you can choose to unsubmit it, and that will open that document back up so that you can then choose to edit again. This is Schoology Assignments Part 2.